Latest on the transfer news. Sanibona bafethu uvanilo. So namhlanje ngiphathele ezinye indaba about the transfer news akhona la ku PSL. Orlando Pirates ke isiyenzile iinquiry about uNeo Rapo lo dlalela iSportsport United, odlala futhi iUnder 20 yebafana amajita. Umdlalo ubekhona kwi AFCON lati khona, ube part of lesa squad lisana, ubedlala ngempela umjita. Is a left back, uyadlala futhi nakhona ku SuperSport United. One of the promising players akhona la ku Premiership, udlala kamnandi umjita. There are many clubs akhona eEurope asekhulumile naye Neo Rapo. Yabo agent yakhe bisikhulumile nama Orlando Pirates have already called his agent a few weeks ago about the possibilities around the boy. Yabo, we don't really know what Orlando Pirates maybe zozama umjita ukumlanda imlethe lapha eMayfair ayodlala, because mwase ubheke kahle Orlando Pirates right now isidedele uPaseka Marco yadedela noInnocent Mayela. Mwase ubheke ubani umdlalo khona right now, uMadiba no Dion Holt. So those players yabo iyadingakala quality, so they need quality in that position. And iyayenza sense balande umdlali odlala under 20 bafana phinda adlale ku SuperSport United. SuperSport United right now yona iyalezansi, yabo izodayisa status, ngizwile kuthiwa kuzofika iBloemfontein Celtic. So izinto eziningi lapho SuperSport United, they are releasing many players. So Orlando Pirates mase ifike i-act fast ingakwazi ukumthola lo mdlalo. One of the quality players akhona adlala kule position ye left back. Yabo maybe omunye bengasho ukuthi kumele siye for uBasadini, but ke I think this is the right choice. Yabo ubheke neminyaka yakhe umjita, iminyaka yakhe iyamvumela ngempela, uyadlala ngempela umjita. Ungangitshela ama comments wena ngokwakho, should Orlando Pirates go for uNeo Rapo noma they should go kwi-market babhe amanye abadlali? Kuthiwa the former Orlando Pirates wingback Thabiso Monyane is set to join iKaizer Chiefs after expiry of his contract. Yabo niyazazi ke le ndaba lezi bekade kusolwa insukwini. Yabo ngosikhathi uMonyane erelease weOrlando Pirates bekunoyinsolo kuthiwa uMonyane uzojoina iKaizer Chiefs. Naku ke sebecacisa la bathi umjita uzoyijoina ngempela iKaizer Chiefs ngoba free agent. iKaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukuyithola isignature yakhe, uzojoina amakhosi. How to feel about this? Because naye futhi uPaseka Marco is set to join iKaizer Chiefs. So kuningi nje bafethu. Yabo former Orlando Pirates players will join iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo kuningi kusazowenzeka sasa. Athi ngimfisela inhlanhla uThabiso Monyane, futhi ngimfisela inhlanhla umjita. Nama injuries la wajolo kuba nawe ngawuthi ngaphela adlale kahle lapha kuKaizer Chiefs. Benayo futhi uPaseka Marco. Kaizer Chiefs futhi kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs isikhukhuna United goalkeeper. Lo goalkeeper ke lo uvimbele bafana right now. Kuthiwa amakhosi are set to make an inquiry for the talented goalkeeper who's been impressing with bafana. Nyamaze ke lo mjita bafethu uvimbele isikhukhuna United ithuba wanikezwa uEric Tinkler kwamnikeza ithuba umjita ukuthi ayibonakalise lapha ngempela ugoalkeeper benza kahle nje kwisikhukhuna United ku second half of the season. So iKaizer Chiefs iyambheka ngempela as ugoalkeeper ozokwazi ukureplace ugoalkeeper bakhona lapha. Yabo uFies Ntwari ngenzeka naye ahambe aye kwiloan. So iKaizer Chiefs idinga another goalkeeper ozovala leso sikhala oyiquality odlala la kuBetway Premiership. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa Orlando Pirates kumele khiphe imali engako 15 million rands uma befuna ukusayina umdlali waseZimbabwe ubani uPrince Ndlovu. Yabo uPrince Ndlovu bafethu i-teenager leli na 19 years old, maningi ama-team ase-Europe afuna ukumsayina nawo umjita. Uyadlala right now, udlalela iZimbabwe le kwiCOSAFA Cup. Yabo umjita ngokuzwa kwami ngizwe kuthiwa uyi-striker. Yabo i-striker esidlalayo lesi esiwakora amagoli. Kwezinye izindaba uThembinkosi Losh noCassius Mayilula bahambile neteam iWydad Casablanca bayodlala le kwiClub World Cup. Yabo bahambile lade beshaya izithombe lezi ekhombisa ngempela ukuthi abafana ba ready for icompetition le emnandi kakhulu eyisimanga. Yabo ama-team anjengo Mamelodi Sundowns, ama-team anjengo Esperance, ama-team anjengo Al Ahly ayo representa iAfrica lapha yabo iAmerica. I hope abajita bazofika badlale kahle. Kuyangijabulisa kakhulu ukubona uThembinkosi Losh esedlala kanje. Yabo uLoch phela sasitshe ukuthi career yakhe yaphela kwaMamelodi Sundowns. iSundowns ke yenza into enhle ukuthi umjita imloan imingezi imsebenzise imloan kuWydad Casablanca, because iWydad yayibadinga abadlali. So nje bedlala lapha uyathanda ngempela, ama-fans amjabulela, i-team icabanga ngomkhipha. Yabo same as uCassius Mayilula, we thought i-career yakhe izophela njengoba wayele America. Yabo le team ayidlalele America yayingamsebenzisi yabo iToronto FC. So they decided to loan the guy kuWydad Casablanca. Yabo credit to Rolando Mokoena. He saw an opportunity to revive the career of labadlali laba abathanda kanje. So abajida bangijabulisa kakhulu. Maybe they will find a way to go back to the squad. Sebefana bafana Hugo Bros maybe may make some plans ukuthi abajida ababuyise ku squad sebafana. Yabo mebenza kahle kule competition abakuyona. Yabo kuyangijabulisa kakhulu ukubabona. Good luck to them. Kwezinye zeindaba kuthiwa iDurban City FC are in discussions with Isikhukhune United regarding a potential transfer of defender uNjabulo Ngcobo. Yamkhumbula uNjabulo Ngcobo, the former Kaizer Chiefs player, the former Morocco Swallows player, osedlalela Isikhukhune United right now. iDurban City le sathana promoter nje kwi Motsepe Foundation Championship ifuna i-defender elidlala la ku-Betway Premiership elidlalela Isikhukhune United. Ayihope bazomsayina lo mjita lo because they need quality players njengoba besuka ku-championship yabo abazokwazi ukuvimba ama-threats ukuthi babuyelele kwi-relegation zone, babuyelele ku-Motsepe Foundation. I don't want to see another KZN team going back to i-Motsepe Foundation. Mele balwe ngempela bajita bakwazi ukuhlala yabo. iMaritzburg United ngiyayikhumbula kwezinye izindaba iMamelodi Sundowns likhiphile namhlanje ijezi lela engikhuluma ngalo. Nike away kits le icishe ifane nejezi le Pyramids. Angazi bekwenze njani but ke they design the jersey looks beautiful. I don't wanna lie. Abantu abaningi bebelo bengitshela bethi ijezi limbi van wawusho njalo. Angazi mhlawumbe yinini enibona lokho but for me these jerseys are very beautiful. Wakhiphile nama tracksuit ngiyabona nje ama tracksuit akhona ashawo Puma. Bashayela ama tracksuit angifuqa manga. Yabo baxibule ngempela lama tracksuit lawa. Na ikit la ihome kit le igqoko uTebogo Mokoena le. Ungangitshela ama comments wena uzizwa kanjani ngale kit le but for me it looks very 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 good. Yabo ngifuna ukuyibona sebeyigqokile sebedlala lapha. It's a different thing. Yabo baze ne different idea. Sijwayele ukuyibona iSundowns eqhamuka ne different idea kuma jerseys abo. Ahlezi kuyi same concept nje but ke right now bakhiphe unyawo bakwazi lo design. Kwezinye zeindaba former Kaizer Chiefs defender uDaniel Cardoso has extended his contract with Isikhukhune United ngonyaka owodwa. Yabo contract yakhe neSikhukhune United ise-extendiwe. Into engixakayo same thing yasho Eric Tinkler wathi laphana i-team yakhe igcola abadlali abadala. Njengoba igcola abadlali abadala nje udinga more young players but ke uzo extenda i-contract noDaniel Cardoso. Maybe umjida umgcwele, maybe unama plans for yena asazi but ke this is a quality defender une-experience eningi umjida akwazi ukuyisiza eSikhukhune United next season. Kwezinye zeindaba I'm sure seniyibonile indaba lezi two Paseka Marco wayesedecide vele kuyijoyina iKaizer Chiefs before iNedbank Cup final. Yabo wayesedecide vele kuyijoyina so ukumgcina kwangasiyona intelula because Orlando Pirates washiwo kuthiwa yazama ukumgcina umjida but ke yena wayesedecide ukuthi uzojoin iKaizer Chiefs. Maybe ziningi izinto ezenzeka behind the scenes esingazazi. Yabo there are many things that happened behind the scenes Orlando Pirates that we don't know. The management must come forward and tell us izinto ezenzakalayo behind the scenes because we cannot be kept in the dark. Yabo le indaba lezi we need to hear these news. Izinto ezenzakalayo ngeclub yethu. We cannot see our club falling apart right in front of our eyes. Yabo because the club le Joachim Jose Rivera I feel like ziningi izinto ezizobhetha but ke let's trust the management, let's trust the process. Kwezinye zeindaba kuthiwa Orlando Pirates isi-offerishwe ucoach uFlorent Ibenge. Florent Ibenge lo coach lo ade coach iAl Hilal. Yabo ade coach iAl Hilal. I don't know ukuthi mhlawumbe mayasafike la angazama yena ukuyishintsha Orlando Pirates but ke sebem-offerishile kwi-Orlando Pirates. Mawuzobheka Al Hilal akusiyona iclub encane. Al Hilal iclub edlala ngempela labafethu. Ibidlala nje kuma quarter finals eCAF Champions League bashawe iAl Ahly. Yabo so this team i-team ade coach inayo experience. Yabo uresignile le club ade idlalela. Asazi maybe uthole i-job position la eSouth Africa, maybe uthole i-job position ku-Orlando Pirates, we don't know but ke kuyindaba engiyizwile kuthiwa ama-agent akhe ama-offerishile ku-Orlando Pirates. It's up to the management to decide ukuba iyavuma yini ukuthi acoach i-Orlando Pirates. Kwezinye zeindaba iChupa United isiyicompletile i-signing yakhanya mfecane. Yabo umdlali lo na 23 years old osekwadlalela iBafana ya under 23. Yabo uzojoina iChupa United makuphela le season le. Yabo umfisela okuhle kumjidi. Kwezinye zeindaba uBrendan Schroeder has left the Uppington City FC. Yabo manje useyi-free agent nje ucoach ongena team. Asazi yena noma khona inama team ala ku Betway Premiership azozama ukumsayina uBrendan Schroeder but right now njengoba ngikhuluma nawe nje akana team azoyicoacha yabo mhlawumbe ukho ne team ngakini wangitshela kuma comments nimfonele uBrandon Shooter mhlawumbe azama ukuyicoacha yabo kwasiba